Welcome back. Continuing the amazing concepts of integral calculus. Now, most important part again. I'm trying to cover maximum important part so that I can help students a lot. Integral by parts. Integral of product of two functions. Integration of u into v. Integration of u into v. U into integration of v minus integration of v and derivative of u with respect to x dx. U into integration of v minus integration of v and derivative of u with respect to x dx. In derivative you can take any function as u, any function as v, but here in integration order is important. Always prefer u in this order. Look, this is very important. L logarithmic I inverse trigonometric function, A algebraic, T trigo, and finally exponential. Now look at some important examples. Integral of x square cos x dx. Look, very important. 80% sums are of this type. 80% sums are of this type. So very important. Algebraic into trigo. So according to rule, A comes first and T. So look, u into integration of v minus integration of v and derivative of x square 2x dx. So integral of cos x sin x, integral of cos x sin x 2x dx. So now look, this is of the type TA, but we know TA is not the proper order. सही order क्या है? 80. So ये बनेगा u, ये बनेगा v. Again applying u into integration of v minus integration of v and derivative of 2x, that is 2 dx. So x square sin x minus 2x minus cos x, integral of sin x is minus cos x minus plus dx. Finally you open the bracket, so x square sin x 2x cos x minus 2 sin x plus c. Next example, look, maximum sums are of this type. Next, this example, x cube e raised to x dx. Algebraic into exponential. Again apply the rule. U into integration of v minus integration of v and derivative of x cube, that is 3x squared dx. Integral of e raised to x is e raised to x. So again a into e. U into integration of v minus integration of v and derivative of 3x squared 6x dx. So 3x squared e raised to x, 6x e raised to x dx. Again u into v. Algebraic into expo. Again applying the rule. U into integration of v minus integration of v and derivative of 6x 6 dx. So finally it is 6 e raised to x dx. Again u into v? No, direct. 6 e raised to x ka 6 e raised to x plus c. So look, this is the normal method. But we are preparing for MTCT. MTCT सीखना है तो 80 sir only. आपका आंसर 10 सेकेंड 20 सेकेंड एक्यूरेट आंसर आना चाहिए. If you do like this, u into integration of v minus integration of v, खत्म. बाय टाटा बाय बाय खत्म. आंसर एक स्टेप में आना चाहिए. Because my students are extraordinary. So look, How to get answer directly for number of sums rapidly? Look, now, here, 6-7 minutes, if you do like this, ऐसा भी क्यों करने का? So now, logic. Plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. Plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. The function which is u, right? U and its consecutive derivative. X cube, 3x square, 6x, 6. डेरिवेटिव खत्म, यहां पे लिखने c. अब function which is v, right? E raised to x, e raised to x, e raised to x, e raised to x. Now look, one step you get a final answer, is it? Look, as soon as you open the bracket, मिला कि नहीं? Answer, answer, answer. एक step में आपका final answer आ गया. What is the logic? Plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. Function which is u, right? U and the consecutive derivative. E raised to x, e raised to x, e raised to x, e raised to x. बोले सर यहाँ पे कैसे फिर सर? क्या आप इजी इजी सम सिखाते हो? No, my working will work for number of sums. That is why you get 100 out of 100. Otherwise, not possible. CET requires speed and accuracy both. So now, look here. Here x square is u, cos x is v. Again, plus minus plus x square 2x 2. Khatam. Now, previous example the function was e raised to x. Actually, it is integral of e raised to x throughout. But integral of e raised to x is e raised to x, e raised to x, e raised to x. And here our function v is cos x. So what is the rule? Function which is u and its consecutive derivative. Function which is v, its consecutive integral. So cos x का integral sin x का integral minus cos x, और फिर minus cos x का integral minus sin x plus constant of integral. So minus minus plus. Look, you get answer in one step. Answer. फटाक से आ जाएगा आंसर कोई भी इसका. Now you will tell, या कोई बोले यार इसके लिए वर्कआउट होता है. Every example. Soon my videos will come where I will show you numerous shortcuts, not only of integration, derivative and topics of 11, 12, but daily use topics, multiplication, division, सबका आंसर within a seconds, within 10 seconds, within 5 seconds. How to do mind calculation fast? That will help your brothers, sisters, relatives, everyone. Keep watching. So look, these are the amazing shortcuts. More interesting types. Now, this is my style. I never take any retake. On the spot. Anything on the spot. Any topic on the spot. More examples. X log x dx. So look, it is of the type AL, but AL is not the proper order. So actually it is like this. La 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 la. Logarithmic हमेशा first preference. So apply the rule. So now here this will act as u and this will act as v. So u into integration of v minus integration of v and rate of log x 1 by x dx. So that is x log x minus integral of x is x square by 2, 1 by x dx. Cut. So it is x log x minus integral of x, x square by 2, already 2. So now you get the answer. Now here, since we are dealing with multiple choice question at this moment, main focus is on JEE Main and MTCT. Here you, number of students try to apply the shortcut formulas and then plop, totally plop. Because in earlier sum, x raised to n was u, say x cube, then x cube, 3x square, 6x, or derivative vanish at a point. But here, the function is log x. Log x derivative 1 by x derivative minus 1 by x square. You keep on increasing. So non-terminating type. So how to get answer for this type of sums directly? Keep watching. Because you are my students. So look. X square log x dx. Again it is al, which is not the proper order. So what do? You write like this. Again, sing a song. La la la. La la la. So now, apply the rule. U into integration of v minus integration of v and derivative log x, 1 by x dx. So x square का इंटीग्रल x cube upon 3 log x. X square का इंटीग्रल x cube by 3 into 1 by x dx. So that is x cube upon 3 log x. 1x will cancel. So it is x square by 3. So when you integrate, it is x cube by 3 into 3. So what you are getting? What you are getting? X cube by 3. Already 3. So here also look. X का integral is x square by 2. It is never do any mistake. This is only so that you concentrate on this step. So that any sums of this kind, you get answer in one step. Answer. झूठा नहीं कि कोई भी टॉपिक 3 सेकंड में है. कोई भी टॉपिक, कोई भी MCQs on an average 10 to 30 seconds. It's my challenge. So look, how to get answer in one step of this type of sum? Because here we cannot apply the previous shortcuts. So here the power of x is 1. What happened? 2 to 4. 1 2 ka 4. 1 2 ka 4. This is the shortcut. 1 become 2 become 4. 1 become 2 become 4. नहीं समझा? Now look. Here 2 become 3 become 9. 1 become 2 become 4. 2 become 3 become 9. So in general, if you have x raised to n log x, now one step you can write down the shortcut. X raised to n plus 1 log x minus x raised to n plus 1, and here it is n plus 1 ka square plus constant of integration. So this is one step shortcut formula. You will not find in any books. This formula will come on basis of good observation. So even this type of sum where log functions are there and x raised to n act as v, you can get the answer rapidly. Now one more type. Keep watching. Keep watching. Keep watching. Now, These are like only live lectures. This type of sum. Inverse trigonometric function. Now, we directly don't know the integral of tan inverse x. So now, my students are extraordinary. ध्यान से देखो, कुछ तो दिखेगा. ध्यान से देखो. तो जब आप ध्यान से देखोगे तो 1 दिखेगा. Now look, दिख रहा है 1, दिख रहा है 1. 1 पहले भी था, बट अब दिख रहा है 1. So what is 1? Say 1 is actually x raised to 0. So it is a part of algebraic function. All constant we can take as an algebraic function. So now, आइए और सॉल्व कीजिए. आइए inverse into algebraic. So now, according to this Liat rule, apply. So it is u and this is v. U into integration of v minus integration of v and derivative of tan inverse x 1 upon 1 plus x squared dx. X tan inverse x 1 का इंटीग्रल x 1 plus x squared x. अब इसका क्या करने का? Look, what is derivative of x square? 2x. What we have x. Adjust 2. It's a favorite type. Derivative function. Derivative upon the function. Log of the function. Derivative function. Derivative upon the function. Log of the function. So now, derivative function. Derivative upon the function. Log of the function. सबसे important type. Half log of 1 plus x square plus constant of integration. So even this type of sum you can do rapidly. But ये formula आपको बाहर रहना चाहिए. So that you can directly use these formulas. Similarly, ये बहुत important है. Integral of log x. So x log x minus x. The most important. Directly you can apply. And it has numerous applications even in JEE Main and IT. Keep watching. बहुत कुछ बाकी है. ऐसे शॉर्टकट्स है जो आपने कभी देखा ही नहीं होगा किसी ने. But one and only one motive. Still 15-20 days are remaining for the exam. Let maximum student get benefited. Please subscribe, share to number of students so that they can get benefited. Because increase of 4 mark, you will be ahead of 40-50,000 students. This is only my goal. Thank you all of you.